Namaste and welcome to Relish Delish. Today we're going to be making a shrimp and bean stir fry. It's a Thai inspired recipe. Many years ago I had this dish in a restaurant in Edmonton, and ever since then it's become a family favorite. So I'll show you how we do it at home. So like I said, this is a Thai inspired recipe and we can do it with any shrimp. I like using the shelled and tail of shrimp, which is ready to use. This is in fact cooked shrimp, so it won't even take like 5 minutes in the stir fry. So I'll go ahead and make this dish now. I have a wok here and I have some oil here. So I'm just going to heat up the oil. So now that the oil is heated up, I'm going to be putting it like a 1 teaspoon of garlic paste and about a teaspoon of ginger paste. In fact, we like ginger in our shrimp. Just give it a mix and then I'm going to add the beans. These beans have been cleaned and washed, ends taken off, and I just cut them into 2 pieces. You can leave the beans whole if you wish. So the beans has been stirring for about 2 minutes now. So I'm going to go ahead and add some soy sauce to this, a couple of teaspoons of soy sauce. And also some chili sauce. You can even use Thai sweet chili sauce, but we like it spicy, so I'm just using the regular chili sauce. The chili can be adjusted according to your taste. You can even instead put a little bit of pepper powder and salt. I'm not adding salt because the soy sauce already has salt in it. And then we use some vinegar, a couple of teaspoons of vinegar. The beans in this recipe are not overcooked, it's slightly tender. So as soon as the beans get a little tender, I'm going to go ahead and add the shrimp. So let this cook for about a minute or so. I would say like 3 minutes. So it's been about 3 minutes now. So I'm going to go ahead and add the shrimp. If the shrimp is not cooked, you can add it earlier. But since this is cooked shrimp, I just need to toss it up in the gravy. This is a dry dish, so there's not going to be any sauce in it. So the sauce is going to dry up completely. If you want to keep it saucy, that's fine too. You can have it. This dish is awesome. Taste it. We had it initially with rice, Thai rice. They use jasmine rice, but you can serve it with any kind of rice. But it tastes awesome on its own too. So I'm just going to add a little bit of Thai chili sauce. I decided to add some since I had it. This is totally optional. This will give it a sweeter taste. The sweet and sour is a good option. It tastes really good. So it's almost done now. So to top it off, what I do, what we saw in the restaurant also, they had toasted sesame seeds. And that's it. I'm going to plate this now. Look how awesome that looks. So here you go, shrimp and beans, green beans in less than 10 minutes. Just going to garnish it with some more toasted sesame seeds. And this is how it looks like. You can serve it with rice or even eaten plain as its own. It's delicious and really good. So try some, make some, and for more such recipes, please visit my website relishdelish.ca and don't forget to subscribe.